Our next topic is motion. First, let us understand what is motion. An object is said to be in motion if its position changes with respect to time. So, if the position of an object changes with respect to time, it is said to be in motion. You can see the position of this car is continuously changing with respect to time. So, it is in motion. Whereas, if the position of an object does not changes with respect to time, it is said to be at rest. Here you can observe the position of the chair, the tree does not changes with respect to its surrounding with time. So all these objects are said to be at rest. We can observe there are many objects in motion. Earth is continuously moving around the sun. Earth is also moving around its axis. So there are many objects in motion. Some are moving fast and some objects are moving slow. When we compare two things, we can tell whether it is moving fast or slow. For example, consider a man and a bicycle on a road. We can see that a bicycle is moving faster than a man. When we compare the same bicycle with a moving car, we can see now the bicycle is moving slow and the car is moving fast. So the same object is seen to be moved slowly and fast both. So we can say that slow and fast are relative terms. To say these are moving fast or slow is not sufficient to determine their motion. To determine and compare motion of objects, we need to calculate their speed. Speed is a term which is used to determine the motion of an object. Speed is defined as the distance covered by an object per unit of time. We can calculate the speed of a body if we know how much distance he or she has covered in a given time. So, to calculate the speed, we have a formula. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So, to calculate the speed of any object, if we know the distance covered and the time taken to cover that distance, we can find out the speed of that object. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Speed is also determined in the unit kilometers per hour. Now, generally we need to convert these units in meter per second and kilometers per hour and vice versa. So, let us find out the relation between these two units. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So, 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. So, if 1 kilometer per hour is needed to convert into meter per second, we can write it as 1000 meters upon 3600 seconds. When we simplify it, it comes out to be 5 upon 18 meters per second. So, 1 kilometer per hour equals to 5 upon 18 meters per second. So, if a speed is given in kilometer per hour, we can easily convert it into meter per second by multiplying it by 5 by 18. Similarly, the speed expressed in meter per second can be converted into kilometers per hour by dividing it by 5 by 18 or by multiplying by 18 by 5, which is the reciprocal of 5 by 18.